Hi, I'm Sharada, and today we're going to learn how to make a face mask with essential oils. But before we start, we're going to need a couple of ingredients. To make this mask, we will need 1 heaping teaspoon of clay powder, 3 drops of rosemary essential oil, and 2 tablespoons of water. We're going to mix the ingredients together to form a smooth consistency. Alright, so we're going to pour the water that contains the rosemary oil. To get that smooth consistency. Now just keep mixing it out. There you have it. Now that it is mixed, you can begin to apply the mask to your face, allowing it to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can then rinse your face with warm water and pat dry. I'm Sharada, and that is how you make a face mask with essential oils. Have fun and beautiful skin.